In this video, we'll show you how to print emails from your Android phone. So to do this, first open your email app, Gmail or any other, and then go to the email that you want to print. Here you should see a three dot icon like this. Simply tap on it and then choose the print option. It will then show you all the pages that will be printed. You can unselect any pages that you don't want to be printed. Now tap the drop down menu at the top and then select your printer from the list. I don't have one connected right now, so I'm not seeing any printers, but you should see it on yours. If you don't see it, select all printers and then choose your printer from this list. Once you have selected the printer, hit the print option that appears here and your email will be printed. Now if it's a long conversation which contains multiple emails, you don't need to select this three dot icon. Instead, select the three dot icon at the top and then choose the print or print all option that appears here. Now this will select all the emails that are in the thread and then you can print them as usual.